Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include front fog lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call